G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend, and today I'm making a brand new recipe. This is my Mediterranean vegan pesto. It is absolutely delicious and I think you're gonna love it. I'm using the Vitamix A3500 blender. This is Vitamix's most affordable entry-level blender, but it is absolutely amazing. All right, let's get started. So I'm gonna put in 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil and 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna put in ½ a cup of pine nuts. You can toast these if you prefer, but I'm just gonna use them raw. 3 tablespoons of marinated artichoke hearts. Absolutely beautiful. I've got 2 tablespoons of olives and 2 tablespoons of caper berries without the stem. Gonna give it a really beautiful flavor. Got 1 cup of packed basil. Beautiful fresh basil. ½ a cup of Italian parsley. ½ a cup of baby spinach. Some added nutrition to give it a nice greener color. Got 1 tablespoon of lime juice. That goes. I've got 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, or as the hip kids call it, nooch. Now that's like a vegan cheese. And I've also got a little bit of salt and pepper, just to season it, 1 teaspoon of each. Just gonna lock my lid into place. Make sure that's locked into place correctly. I'm gonna use the tamper just to help push the ingredients into the blade. And I'm gonna start it on the low speeds. I want about speed 2, 3, I might even push it up to 5, depending on the texture and the consistency you want. All right, that is it. Look at that. Look at that beautiful consistency. I'm just gonna try some of that. Absolutely delicious. You can have this as a dip. It's got that nice crunchy texture of the pine nuts, or you can put that straight over some vegetable pasta. It's entirely up to you. Happy blending.